Okay, so if you're a cat parent like me, you know the litter box situation can be, let's just say, not the most fun part of having cats. Between my two cats, Casey and Chloe, I felt like I was constantly scooping, cleaning, and trying to keep things clean. So when I heard about the Litter Robot 3 Connect, a self-cleaning litter box that's supposed to make that a whole lot easier, I had to ask, is it really worth the $549? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be breaking down everything that you need to know about the Litter Robot 3 Connect, from how it works, the features it offers, some pros and cons, and whether I think it's actually worth the investment. And if at any point, you're thinking of making the switch to the Litter Robot 3 Connect, I actually have an affiliate link in the description down below, which will give you a discount that you won't find by going directly to their website. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, if you haven't heard of the Litter Robot 3 Connect yet, it's an automatic self-cleaning litter box that's all about making life easier for cat owners. It's part of a lineup from Whisker, a company that's been around since 2000. The Litter Robot 3 Connect is a step up from earlier models because it's got that smart tech feature. It connects to an app, letting you monitor your cat's litter box usage right from your phone. So whether you've got one cat or a few, it's designed to keep things cleaner with way less effort. Now, the way it actually works is pretty straightforward. You essentially get a litter box that cleans itself, literally doing all the dirty work for you. Once your cat uses it, the litter robot waits a short amount of time. You can actually set this through the app, and then it automatically starts a cleaning cycle. The globe inside rotates, separating the dirty clumps from the clean litter. The dirty clumps go into the drawer underneath the unit, which you only have to empty out every few days, depending on how many cats you have. And what's really cool about the Connect version is the smart features. It has sensors that detect when your cat goes in and out, tracking things like their weight and usage right in the Whisker app. You'll get a notification when the waste drawer is full or when the litter is running low, and then all you have to do is just replace the liner and add more litter as needed. Super easy. Another big plus is the odor control. The Litter Robot 3 Connect has a built-in carbon filter in the waste drawer to trap odors, which makes a huge difference, especially in smaller living spaces. With the waste being separated right away, the fresh litter stays clean and odors are kept in check. Overall, the Litter Robot 3 Connect combines self-cleaning efficiency, smart technology, and odor control, making it a practical and convenient addition for any cat household. That said, the Litter Robot 3 Connect is priced at $549, but you also have the option to finance it with a firm, starting at around $50 per month with a 12-month payment plan. So it's a good way to make it more budget-friendly if you'd rather not pay it all at once. With this price, you also get free shipping and delivery, which usually takes about 1 to 3 days depending on where you're located. On top of that, the unit includes a 1-year warranty, but if you want a little extra peace of mind, there's an option to extend it to 3 years for an additional $100. This extension covers repairs or replacements, which could be helpful for long-term use. And again, if you're interested in the Litter Robot, you can check out my affiliate link in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount. That being said, I've been using the Litter Robot for the past few months with my two cats, Casey and Chloe, and so I thought I'd share my experience. I can genuinely say it's made a huge difference in our routine. Initially, I wasn't entirely sure how they'd respond, but they quickly got used to it, and now it's just part of their everyday routine. For me, the biggest benefit has been how much time it saves not having to scoop daily. And I also love how the app notifies me when the waste drawer is full, or when it's time to refill the litter, so I'm not constantly checking. Another thing I've really noticed is the odor control. The carbon filter does a great job at keeping smells in check, and I actually noticed a difference when I walk into the house. No lingering litter box smell, which was a nice surprise. Plus, since the waste is separated right away, the litter lasts longer between full changes, which is a nice bonus. And if you're expecting or planning to have kids anytime soon, the Litter Robot is a huge help. But as you may know, it's advised to avoid direct litter box handling during pregnancy because of toxoplasmosis risks. With a Litter Robot, it's a lot safer since it does all the dirty work. You just have to empty out the drawer. But if possible, I'd still suggest having a partner handle the drawer if you're expecting, but it's so much better than a regular litter box. But I will point out that some cats might take a bit of time to adjust to an automatic litter box, especially if they're new to it. Casey and Chloe adapted in a few days, but it can take up to a week or two for some cats. Also, the cleaning cycle does make a bit of noise, but it's quiet enough that it shouldn't disrupt anything. It's also a bit larger than a standard litter box, but it's designed to accommodate cats of all sizes. So if you have the space, it's definitely worth it for the convenience. Overall, it's made taking care of Casey and Chloe so much easier. And if you're considering a self-cleaning litter box, I'd say the litter robot is absolutely worth the investment, especially if you have multiple cats. So to wrap up this review, if you're asking whether the Litter Robot 3 Connect is worth it, I'd say it's definitely something to consider if you're a cat owner looking to make life a little easier. It's a self-cleaning litter box that not only saves time, but also keeps things fresher and cleaner, which is a huge win, especially if you have multiple cats. Plus, the app integration makes it even more convenient by letting you track litter levels, waste door status, and even your cat's habits. So in my opinion, I'd say that the Litter Robot 3 Connect is a solid choice if you're looking for a hassle-free solution to cleaning the litter box that gives you a break from constant scooping. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're interested in trying out the Litter Robot 3 Connect, feel free to use the affiliate link in the description down below for a special discount. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.